Code smarter with gptpro.biz. I will show you how GPT-4 will write a Python script, then a Node.js server, and finally review your React browser JavaScript. First, let's have GPT-4 write a command line program to convert a URL to PDF document. I'm also going to select the coder persona, but there are many others in here as well to help improve your output for specific tasks. One thing I really like about ChatGPT is that it shows you what libraries to use and how to call them, which saves a lot of time. In this case, it showed us how to install 2 required Python libraries, which I've already done previously to save time. Now I'm going to copy this code and paste it into a file called URL to pdf.py. Then I'm going to copy the command line and use a URL to a page about blue light glasses that I have. Now I will call this function ChatGPT just wrote, and let's see the PDF file it created. Looks pretty reasonable for a first pass. Now let's move on to our next example. I'm going to have ChatGPT write a Node.js server that has a REST API call that returns the top cryptocurrency prices. Now I'm going to copy the code and create a file called server.js and paste in the code. From the command line, I'm running the Node server with the server.js file. Now I'm copying the curl command line argument. We can see it returned the current cryptocurrency price info based on the market. Let's run it through an online JSON pretty printer. You can see Bitcoin and my preferred cryptocurrency Ethereum. Now on to our last example, which is code reviewing some React code. This is a great way to clean up your code, learn some new tips in the process, and prepare it for peer code reviews. First, I click the paperclip and select the file I want to code review. Then ask it to code review that file. Keep in mind that any code it produces needs to be tested to ensure it works properly. I often ask follow-up questions to get closer to the exact code I want produced. In addition, I often have to tweak the final output. I even use it to help me find and fix difficult bugs. ChatGPT can significantly improve your developer coding productivity. You can try GPT-4 for free at gptpro.biz.